Hello, Namaste, how are you all? I'm fine, hope the same from your side. Today, let us talk about the change. If we talk about the change, you are knowing, change is the only thing which is going to change. Change is the only thing which is going to change. Then how we should accept these changes? We should be proactive about the change. We should not keep on blaming. Otherwise, some people you might have seen, old people, they will keep on telling, "Oh, in our days it was like that, in our days it was so nice, nowadays this," they will be keeping on blaming the changes. No, it should not happen. Whenever the change happens, change is always for good. We should welcome it. At least I will tell you, our generation, we have seen so many changes. Those people who are 50 plus, you are knowing, we have seen the age without phone. Then we saw with the landline, that too we had to rotate it like this. Then we had the present phones. Then we had the mobiles, ordinary mobiles, and now you are knowing all, whatever. So all these things. We have seen the days when there was no television at all. Then black and white came, then color cinema, televisions came. So all these changes we have seen. But shall I tell you, I at least feel that the changes are always for good. This is about the outward changes. But there are even changes we can see, personal changes, family changes, professional, social, all these changes we can have, we can improve. We can have our own goals in life. We can improve our own skills, and you can have your own achievement in that, and you can have the changes. And you are knowing, we should have the self-belief. Yes, I can change. Whatever, let it be financially, emotional, whatever, physical. If you are very weak, okay, physically with the exercise and all, I am going to change my physical health. Financial, okay, it is okay if I am born poor, but I am not going to die poor, so I will change my. So these things, personal changes you can. About the family, you are knowing, we can have so many changes, and the changes even have been happened. In olden days we had the joint families. Now we don't have that, but we can have at least the nuclear family, whatever we are having, parents, children, we can have with love, affection, everything. Professional changes you can achieve new skills, create new things, find out, and you can improve your professional qualities as well. Social, you are knowing, though we may not be able to meet one another frequently because of the mobile, internet, Facebook and all, we can have our own groups on Facebook pages and all. We can create all these changes. And while doing all these changes, we should take the lead Don't say somebody has to do. No. And the changes are needed. Expect the need for change. Understand that serious changes are inevitable in the face of globalization. And because rapid technological developments and everything, we should able to communicate with one another. We should help one another. And we should not run in the rat race. At the same time, we should volunteer ourselves as the change agent. We should welcome it. We should help others to participate in the process, and we should welcome the change. In other words, don't keep on blaming, okay, why this happened. Otherwise, what we can see, even people, even on dress also, they keep on speaking. For example, in olden days, you are knowing, the dresses were different. Now we can see the dresses are different. They might be modern, you can call it modern, whatever it is. But remember that everything changes. And this is the most ancient of spiritual precepts. Even Buddha said, impermanence is the way of life. Means nothing is permanent in this life. Everything is going to be changed. For example, take a newly small infant who has been born just now. Whether he will remain the same? No. As the days pass on, as the months pass on, the baby will grow up. It will start crawling, walking, running, and a young boy or girl, and then a youth. And naturally, you are knowing at the end as an old man. So all these things, so it is, change is there. Nothing is the same. Or you are having a seed, just go and plant it somewhere. Or take a small plant. Whether it will remain the same? No, never. It is going to change. It will grow into a huge tree, then it will be the house for so many birds. So the changes are there. Even the cinemas, take for example movies. The movie word has come because in the beginning it was only moving. They were not talkies, only movies they were. Now you are having both. They move also, they talk also. The changes have been happened. So in each and everything, the world itself is going to change. Climate, think about the climate, whether climate is the same. No, it too has changed. All our education systems, working systems, everything has changed and it is going to change. It won't be as it is today. It is going to change in future as well. Then whether we have to blame the changes and stick to our old things? No. We should welcome the change. Be proactive to the change. Accept it. Find the advantages of it. If we look at the advantages of the changes, we will call ourselves lucky. For example, medicines, because of the change, development, you are knowing, we live for a long life. We are having a healthy life because of the medicines and all. So we should thank. We should thank for the changes. We should welcome the changes. And it is the fact. Nothing is permanent. Only change is permanent because nothing will remain as it is. Only change is permanent. Have a good day.